all-new 2027 Kia Telluride is built for busy lives. Whether it's family road trips, soccer tournaments, camping weekends, or just hauling everyone's gear across town, it seems like there's always one thing that fills up first: the cargo area. That's why we built the EcoHitch. Instead of cramming bikes, coolers, or camping gear inside your Telluride, the EcoHitch lets you move it outside where it belongs, freeing up valuable space for your passengers while keeping the interior clean, comfortable, and ready for the next adventure. Designed specifically for the 2027 Telluride, this hitch blends seamlessly into the vehicle. The cross tube stays completely hidden behind the bumper, leaving only the receiver visible, so the bold factory styling remains exactly as Kia designed it. But here's where the EcoHitch really separates itself from everything else on the market. While other manufacturers are still building ordinary steel receivers, ours features the world's only stainless steel receiver. That means no creeping rust, no orange stains running down your accessories, and no wondering what your hitch is going to look like a few winters from now. It's built to look as good years from now as it does the day you installed it. And when it's time to put it to work, this hitch delivers. With an estimated 6,000 pounds of towing capacity and 800 pounds of tongue weight, it's built to confidently handle heavy e-bikes, cargo carriers, and family camper trailers. Whether you're packing for a weekend-long vacation or heading off the beaten path, the EcoHitch is ready for whatever comes next. Installation is refreshingly simple too. It's a true 100% bolt-on design with no drilling required, mounting directly to factory mounting points for a clean, straightforward install. Your Telluride was designed to take your family farther. The EcoHitch makes sure you never have to leave your gear behind. Give us a call or visit our website to secure yours today.